power, the finest hour, the shade of coward. You were soured and now you're showered and empowered. Sooner or later you need a favor. Be free of haters, educator, giving my testimony just minutes later. Move your soul like the Holy Ghost with a faithful note, and yeah, my quotes, lifting your spirit higher than any ropes. I be the reason that you're believing and taking stands. We demand more of this freedom, so why you want us banned? We have a voice of our own, you're hearing angry tones, looking for some justice, must have had it postponed. Need a shoulder to lean, that goes for any means. Yeah, I'm here to uplift more than just your self-esteem. I'm a dreamer, the future is never out of reach, and I ain't least the fury I hope the poets say I'm beast. Every day is a test, so bring your A game, and if not, I'll take blame and push you well beyond pain. I do this all for you, I'm working hard for you, I put it down for you, I stood my ground for you. I do this all for you, I'm working hard for you, I put it down for you, I stood my ground for you. I do this all for you, I'm working hard for you, I put it down for you, I stood my ground for you. Let 'em know. I will, 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 I do this